the hum of the office. Phones ringing, hands typing, a constant buzz of activity. Yet, beneath the surface, a question lingers: why the hesitation to automate the front office? Many businesses struggle to see the tangible benefits, the clear return on investment. How can automation truly aid humans, rather than replace them? They wonder. The thought of a full-blown AI platform can seem overwhelming, even intimidating. Will it triage calls effectively? Handle complex queries? Truly understand nuanced situations? Until now, a comprehensive, reliable platform of record for front office AI simply didn't exist. Introducing AI Voice Plus, a game-changer for your business, powered by MyAgents.Plus OS. Our cutting-edge AI voice framework brings a new era of efficiency and intelligence to your front office. Imagine AI that intelligently triages calls, providing instant, accurate responses to common inquiries. Freeing up your human team to focus on complex cases, customer relationships, and strategic initiatives. See real-time analytics, gain unparalleled insights, and understand your customer interactions like never before. Experience the future of front office operations. Experience AI Voice Plus. Transform your business today.